Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I have this locomotive that I built today after scrapping the 0660 locomotive. And now it is a 280, and I've built another locomotive with those other red wheels, but I have to see the other videos I upload after this to see it. And so let's start with the tender. Darn it. It's trained with a Norfolk Southern on the front, Union Pacific locomotives in the middle, and a KCS unit in the back just went by. I literally almost caught it on camera, but then that tender over there spilt. Anyway, starting off with the tender, we've got this little door here, then that little wall there, and there's not really any empty space in there, and there's 6 studs, and it's got a lamp, it's got railing sort of stuff, it's wire things, and got the cargo hold, or no, coal, and then this thing just pops up. That's how it's built. And then you flip it to the other side. Yeah. Now, we set the tender aside when we get to the locomotive. So this thing runs really smooth with the tender too. And this is how it's designed. So I kind of designed it like, you know, the old Lego system, or the old Lego black and red trains. Designed it like that. Same with the other locomotive that I had previously with these wheels. But this is the first one to use these red wheels, drivers, and these at the same time. So it's got 3 lamps on the front and another on the smoke box door. And I think that's plenty of light. The downside is that this connection right there keeps coming apart because it's just loose. And there's a little bit of detail in the cab. You can't really see it. There's a shuffle in there and other controls. And then here we've got the whistle, this handbrake thing, the firebox, and then the whole rest of it. And there's no coupler on the front, and it uses the same front from the previous locomotive. So, cab forward, I don't know, but there's a door here and a door on the tender. Well, it's not really a door, it's just open. But actually, no, you can't really see in there still. But we just turn this around. Oh, the front wheels came off. Now it's a 080. But that is going to do it for today's video. And right here looks like a good thumbnail. Let me just move it over a bit more. Yeah, right there. Right, that's going to do it for today's video. I'll show off the green engine later. So, see you on the next video when I do that. Bye.